Good morning and welcome to today's unboxing, which is, if you can read the label, Warlord Games Highland Regiment for bolt action. What surprised me was I wasn't expecting these to be in metal, so there's quite a bit of weight here. So yep, what we get is two plastic boxes, useful leaflet with the three most well-known Highland regiments, all of which were at Waterloo. Right, and onto models themselves. So, first set, packed by Becky. Thank you, Becky. And that includes two brass spare points for banner poles. So we get two sets of four here. So we've got the command base with the piper, officer, two colour bearers. I'll stop calling them standards. And in the other set we get four infantry with the flank swallow's nest epaulets. And onto the other pack. Which contains quite a few more models. Yeah, a little bit cluttered, a little bit clumsy. But hey, it's all fun and games in the end, isn't it? Right, so what do we get? Regular infantry, and regular infantry. Right. Well, in my opinion, it looks like we're a little short of flankers, because I prefer a full base of each. But some recommendations, the flankers are only, with a bolt action, only really two models on the end of each line. So, for my choice, I will be buying some more flankers, if I can, just to bulk out the two flanking companies, because I prefer each base to represent a company, and we'll have the HQ lined along the front rather than stuck on bases with regular models. So let's have a closer look. Oh, very nice clean castings as usual, with just minimal vents and a little bit of a casting gate on the bottom. Let's look at the other pose in that box. So, to my eye, everything seems correct for all the Highland units. No obvious casting lines. A little bit of flash between the hand and the musket. Again, just standard venting. the elite companies. Again, all very nice, clean castings. Very crisp detail. And of course, the weapon of terror, the pipes. Interestingly, it doesn't seem like he's got his basket hilt sword, but doesn't seem to have a fly blade, which they'd often have. The officer and the colour bearers, the officer does have his fly blade, are trouser as opposed to kilt, which is fine, it's correct. Again, fly blades for the colour bearers. Now, for the trousers, they would often be white or grey, but there are some illustrations of the period with them being in the same tartan as the regular men, because the officers, like the men, were issued a yardage of the tartan fabric, and it was up to them whether they used it or not. Officers actually got more yardage than the enlisted men, so very easy for them to make or get trousers made from it. So I'll give these a clean up, get them repackaged, waiting for me to prime them. Just waiting for my tartan paint to arrive, which could be some time. Thank you.